Components and plugins in Tekla are powerful tools that can benefit designers and component manufacturers. In this video, I will show you how we have helped Nordic Fastening Group with a plugin for their bracing rods, Stag in Norwegian. Designing with pre-manufactured components often means switching between paper catalogs, PDFs, or downloading generic IFC files. These formats rarely include critical information like product codes, ordering parameters, or other product-specific metadata. The result is extra manual work, errors in specifications, and uncertainty in the BIM model. Tekla Structures provide a more integrated solution benefiting both the designer and the manufacturer. By using custom components and plugins, manufacturers can make their products' data available directly inside the modeling environment. For designers, this means they can place, configure, and validate components within the BIM model, ensuring that each part includes the technical data needed for ordering, coordination, and fabrication. For manufacturers, it ensures their products are used as intended, with accurate specifications and configurations. We have helped Nordic Fastening Group set up a component for one of their commonly used fastening systems, designed to support multiple variations and configurations directly in Tekla. Nordic Fastening Group supplies fastening systems for industrial and construction applications. With expertise and flexible product solutions, they support a wide range of connection requirements, helping engineers choosing the right products for reliable and effective designs. While they don't model in Tekla Structures themselves, they have invested in a plugin that does the heavy lifting for their customers. The plugin includes NFG's product library with built-in logic, enabling users to configure connections, select appropriate fasteners, and ensure their every instance carries accurate data, ready for procurement and fabrication. Let me walk you through how this Tekla plugin works in practice. Okay, we are now in my 3D model. It's a complete model. It only misses the tension rod system. And I have downloaded Nordic Fastening Group's tension rod system, which I'm planning to use in this case. And as you can see, you find them over here after downloading them from Tekla Warehouse. You find them here in your application and components section. We are planning to add them or include them here in this area from top here to this down level here. And the first thing I will use in this case is their own connection plates. If I check the connection plate itself, it's a component, and you can see that you can add them on all sides. I've chosen one side. I have also gone with the M20, but you can see that is that system. You can also see that it's very important to pay attention to this arrow. So you can see that is the tension direction. And to change or move this, direction, you use this function here. Just to open it. So you can see that it changes a little bit. So pay attention to this direction. So I have done that, and as you can see, it's now ready for its first tension rod. I open the plugin, and the plugin has two ways of insert. You can either pick the bolts or you can pick the points. The bolts I will use in this case, and I would like to have a double-sided fork in both ends. Also make sure that I have this 20 system diameter hole opening, and I want the class to be 1 and also the numbering and the prefixes set over here. And I start the component of the plugin with this button. As you can see, this is a component, so to be able to do that, I will add it by picking the points, the parts inside the component. So I pick the bolt here, and it goes perfectly in between these two columns. I would like to add a cross sleeve as well, a cross rod, and you can see that I go from this side, pick the bolt, steal the bolt, and down to down here, and the cross sleeve also go into the model. It's all perfectly lined up. On the other side, I have another situation where I have my own plates with my own holes. They are still 20 millimeters, but in this side I will do the pick points in insert, and I would like to have a single-sided and a single-sided fork in both ends. Still 20, and I keep it as is. Add the main component, and in this case I will use hold the control before I pick, just to make sure that since the fork is 12 millimeters thick, I need to move it out 6 millimeters just so it will fit to the side of the plate. So I do that, 6 millimeters, and I have the first point added in. Move over to the other side, do a rotation down there, and I do exactly the same on this side, holding control, pick the side of the bolt, and then go exactly 6 millimeters from that pick point. As you can see, the tension rod is in the correct position, although the orientation is a little bit wrong. In this case, I will go to components, and I will choose the component. Just put this down. And you can see that I need to change direction to 90. And I have to do the same on the top here. Yeah. So now the tension rod system is perfectly placed in this component, or in this area as well. So now we are done with the design. We are happy with the result, and we are ready to order these tension rod systems from NFG. In this case, I will go in and just choose everything. I choose assemblies, and I will go to this side panel again to find their reports. So as you can see, all 3 tension rod systems have been added to this report with article number, correct name, and also the length of each rod. This is just to forward to Nordic Fastening Group, and they will supply you with the right and the correct number of rods and the whole system. If you are interested in learning how we can help you with plugins and components for your product range to help your customers incorporate your products in their design, reach out. If you are interested in learning to do this yourself, then you also reach out. We have live training courses that covers the basics to get you started and the advanced topics to get you into the next level. Thank you for watching, and thanks to Nordic Fastening Group for the collaboration.